Hello, our art friends. Today in Kiddy Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Princess Peach from Super Mario Bros. The movie. So let's start drawing. First, draw a heart shape for the bangs at the front. Then draw a strand of hair on the left side. And a smaller strand coming down from it. Draw the face outline coming down from the bottom of the heart shape, connecting to the little strand of hair on the side. Draw another strand of hair on the other side of the face. Draw the ear on the left side with the round earring. Then draw the second earring, partially hidden behind the hair. Inside the face, we'll start by drawing the eyes. Make a large circle, then make the line at the top thicker. And add some eyelashes. Draw the iris and the pupil inside, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw the other eye. Just make the line at the bottom a little bit more flat.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Draw a small eyebrow on top of each eye. Draw the nose. Then a smiley mouth, showing the upper and lower lips. Draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the face to make the neck. Draw a wavy line, then a line under it to finish the dress collar. Draw the left puffy sleeve. And finish it with a couple of lines. Decorate the sleeve with 3 small lines. Draw 2 tiny lines coming down from the sleeve. Then draw the top part of the long glove. Then draw the rest of the arm and the hand. Then a much smaller line coming down from the bottom of the sleeve. Draw a curved line coming down from the right side of the collar. Connect them with 2 lines going down and meeting in the middle, making the left line longer than the right one. From this meeting point, draw 2 curved lines going down diagonally. Then connect them to the sides with wavy lines. Draw a vertical line in the middle of the chest part. Draw another puffy sleeve, partially hidden behind the chest part. and decorate it with a couple of lines. Then draw the arm, the glove, and the hand similarly. Draw the flowy skirt. Ending with a wavy line at the bottom. And another wavy line under it. Decorate the skirt with some lines on the bottom and the top. Also decorate the top of the skirt with some small lines. Draw a strand of hair coming down from the hair on the left side, connecting to the sleeve. Then draw more hair coming down from it, connecting to the side of the dress. Draw a small strand of hair coming out from the right earring. Draw a zigzag line on top of the hair to make the crown. Decorate it with a round jewel in the middle and another 2 half circles, one on each side. Draw the gem brooch on Princess Peach's dress by drawing 2 circles, one inside the other. Fantastic! Now you can draw Princess Peach. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.